7.
Okay. So, how many candles can you see?
I can see 7 candles.
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 That's right. Betűznöttkkel, azt, hogy 7. Say the letters, please. S. Okay. What comes next?
E.
Okay.
V.
Listen. 7. 7.
N.
10. Well done. Good. Good job. Now, look at the stars. How many stars can you see?
I can see 9 stars. And
9. 9.
E.
E. We have an E. 9. 9. 9.
I.
Of course. How many dogs can you see?
I can see 10 dogs.
Very good. Now you have to spell the word 10. Say the letters, please.
D. E. N.
Nice. Well done, well done. Very good job. How many cars can you see?
I can see 3 cars.
Okay. Now please spell the word 3.
C.
I'm sorry?
C.
See? Let's try. Listen. 3. 3.
D.
Okay.
R.
R. Okay.
Um,
3.
E.
Mhm.
H.
Very good job. H3. Thank you.